right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I were starting a series. We call it the $2 Pasta Dinner Series. And the next few videos, we're going to show you how to make these wonderful gourmet pasta dishes for under $2 a serving. And it is so easy to prepare. All right, let's get cooking.
We have our ingredients for our couple of vegetable dishes today for vegetarians and myself. I love vegetables and pasta, of course. And we're gonna do a few pastas with vegetables.
Very good.
We got cauliflower, zucchini, squash, green onions. This is for Jack, by the way, Jack Chaplin. Daddy Jack, as you guys know him. Red peppers, parsley, garlic. I got a little chicken stock here, olive oil, butter, pepper.
All right, let's rock and roll.
And all right, let's get started. I'm gonna chop up a little garlic. Get our garlic in there. Put a little cherry wine in there. We're having some storm over here right now, guys. Today in Texas. Actually, you don't want to, like overcook your vegetables. But we did blanch off the vegetables, the cauliflower, zucchini, in hot salty water for like, 3 minutes, and then you cool them down.
This is how you do it in a restaurant. Get everything ready.
And then boom, boom, boom.
That's it.
Hey guys, there was a time where the last Daddy Jacks we had, I had a 12 burner stove and an 8 burner stove, all going at one time. All right, we're gonna throw in our cauliflower and our zucchini. Salt and pepper. And then this is what I like, man. I like this pasta with vegetables, nice and crispy, and a nice color. I'm going to add a little chicken stock in here for some flavor. Let that cook for a minute, and then add a little butter to it, and it's ready, man.
Bucatini Primavera. Yeah, I'd like for you guys to do some research and see how much a restaurant would charge you for this dish. Hey, at least $15.
15? More than that.
Yeah.
$15 maybe 10, 12 years ago. All right, you know what? I'm going to put our butter in here. It's okay if you got a little bit of pasta water in there, too, because it's going to thicken it up a little bit.
For those of you that do not know what a bucatini pasta is, it looks like spaghetti.
I used to call it fat spaghetti, remember?
Yeah. It looks like spaghetti, but it's got a hole that's hollowed out like a straw.
And this is for Jack. Some green onions. Some Parmesan cheese. Oh man! Come on, we have to eat before I fall down and pass out.
All right, let's eat.
Very healthy for you. Olive oil, vegetables, and pasta. And a lot of garlic. You vegetarians, you can leave out the chicken stock.
Absolutely delicious. Bucatini Primavera.
Yeah.
You are gonna love this dish, I promise you.
Like I said, you guys can use a roasted vegetable base instead of chicken stock or beef stock.
If you want to go full-blown vegetarian.
Just as good. The bucatini pasta goes perfect with this.
Anyway, we're going to show you another $2 per serving recipe next video as well. It's either going to be our sausage and broccoli rustico, or it's going to be what we call the golden heart pasta with artichokes. It's wonderful. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll check you guys next time.
Thank you guys. Take care.